Hello, Procreate and coloring pages. You don't need other apps to color such pages. Okay, first create a new canvas, a blank canvas, okay. And now I'm going to the internet and I'm searching for coloring pages. You see, you can search in the Google picture search settings, you can search for Creative Commons licenses. Okay, when you find a picture like this small fox, you can put your finger on the picture and hold it, and now you can bring this to Procreate and drop it inside. You can adjust it on the screen like you want, and then you're fine. This picture, I turn off the background from Procreate, has its own white background on the line art. You can work with this picture, but I show you in a few minutes how to get only the outline of this. Okay, now you can add a new layer and go to the line art layer and set this as a reference. Reference means for the other layers, hey, look at this layer, is there a line, or I have to, don't go over the lines. Now you can go to the new layer where your color is and make for every color a new layer. Then you can adjust the colors better later. Now choose your color. I pick this brown color or this one. And now you can bring the color inside. Okay. And you can go on like this. I go 2 steps back and I'm choosing with more red the color, and now I do the step again, but look at the top of the screen. When I drop the color inside, at the top of the screen appears a word, and press on this word. Drop, new color, press on it. And now you can adjust the flood of the color. And there's a cross. And the cross means this area is filled. And now you can pick with your pencil other areas. For example, this one, this, oops, step back. It goes very fast. Okay. And when you want to change a field to a new color, go in this field. Now it's in a brown color, but when you change your color, it changes to this new color. And then, yes, so you can change the color. But I go a step back and I go to the magic wand and finish it. And I create a new layer and drop the color inside, go to new color and do this on a new layer. Okay. And I create a new layer change it to this gray. Press it. Create a new layer. Go back to this layer. Okay. And so you can do all the areas you want to color. And do also the areas like the eyes. Because yes, I think now it's complete. And when you want to make shadows on these layers, you can go to the layer with a fur, for example, and you can swipe with 2 fingers and create an alpha lock. That means only the painted areas you can paint on, not outside. And then you can change a brush to this airbrush and go to the black, adjust the size of the brush, and now you can brush here shadows like this. I hope you see. And you can change your color to a white color and paint the highlights. Like this. And so you can do it with every layer. Turn on the alpha lock and brush here the highlights. Adjust your brush. Okay. You can do it yourself. And the last thing I show you is go to the reference layer and you can swipe with 3 fingers down and copy this layer and go to the first and swipe down and insert it and go to this layer. You have also a copy in the clipboard and now mask this layer, swipe with 3 fingers down again, insert it and reverse. And now pinch these 2 layers together with your fingers. Now, when you turn this on, you see you got the outlines here. and swipe with 2 fingers to the right. Go to the color menu and select it as black, the color as black. Go to the layer and say fill layer. Now you got this layer on a separate layer. You can deselect alpha, lock, and yes. And now you can turn on the other layers and you have a transparent PNG. Okay, that's it. Have fun with painting in Procreate. Ciao.